ये है इंडियन जुगाड़। अगर आप भी ये लोग करते हो तो बताओ कमेंट में। Yo, how are you guys doing today? So today is Saturday. I don't remember the date today. What are we doing today is so basically I'm at Daman's house. This is Daman's house. A few days back, last Sunday, he just shifted over here and I helped him, as you guys must have seen my last video. So today what we are doing is there's one of my friend, remember in the last video I mentioned two of my friends started a YouTube channel. So her name is Kanis and she has a guinea pig already. And so what happens with guinea pig is they want to be in pair. So we already have a male guinea pig. So today we are going to another PetSmart to get another male guinea pig. She has already asked that the PetSmart, she has already called the PetSmart and asked whether do they have a guinea pig or not. Oh, so sorry about the lighting. So basically, yeah, so we are waiting for Daman to come because he had a guinea pig. He has a female guinea pig for more than about 2.5 years. So he is much more experienced in that case. So iski wait kar rahe hain hum. He was supposed to be ready at 5. It's already 5 right now. So just waiting for him, and then we'll go to the PetSmart, and they have 4 male guinea pigs. We'll just find out which one she likes the most, and then we'll go. As like I said, she already has one male guinea pig in her house. We'll just go now, and I'll show you the PetSmart today. So we have finally reached PetSmart, and we are here to get Aussie का भाई, the हाँ भाई क्या बोल रहे थे मन? तो जो पहले गिनी पिग है घर में उसका नाम हमने ऑजी रखा है. I'll show you today as well. और now we are here at PetSmart to get Aussie का भाई.
So we'll get this one.
The brown. Which one? The smooth one?
This one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Smooth one? Okay.
They're all males.
Yep. We're an all-male store. Customers will only
Finally decided. I mean, she has decided which one she's gonna buy. I'm pretty sure that they also pointed at him, and so we are buying this one. They are just waiting for the paperwork to get it done, and then we'll just take him home. Aussie ka bhai, and his name is gonna be Milo. So Aussie and Milo. So guys, we have Milo here. Oh, so cute.
He's so adorable, oh my god, such a baby.
Yeah.
The iconic waterfront music
He's so
transported from downtown Toronto into the homes of Canadians from coast to coast. Don't miss Blue Rodeo with special guest Alan Doyle tonight.
Right now I'm in Home Depot. I came here because I've started working from home. और अब मुझे मेरे लैपटॉप के लिए, ऑफिस लैपटॉप के लिए एक लैन वायर लिविंग रूम से मेरे को मेरे रूम तक लेके जानी है. एंड टू हैव अ प्रॉपर फिटिंग ऑफ द लैन केबल आई डू नीड, so in India we used to call them gitiyan, and because I need them here, so I had to find out what do we call them in Canada, and so finally got to know those are called cable clips. I mean, it does make sense, right? Cable, and to fit a cable you need clips, so cable clips. So I finally found them, and they're pretty cheap as well. In India you can find them for about 50 rupees, and it's same here as well. Maybe like $2-3 or something. So this is why I came to Home Depot. I've tried finding them in every store like Walmart and Dollarama and Canadian Tire, everything, but I couldn't find them, and found them here finally. So I'm gonna do the fitting tomorrow, and right now I'm just gonna go out, and thank God I finally found them. इंडिया में तो बहुत आसानी से मिल जाती थी, पर यहाँ पे मेरे को मुश्किल हुई ढूंढने में, बट फाइनली मिल गई. नाउ आई नो वेयर टू फाइंड देम इफ आई एवर नीड देम इन फ्यूचर.
सो अभी हम एला को माइलो से मिलवाने लेने आए हैं. एला इज़ राइट नाउ ट्राइंग
जा बच्चा जा, मिल ले, जा जा, कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं करता वो तो।
जा बेटा जा, जिंदगी जी ले तू, पापा ने परमिशन दे दिया है।
भाई इसका मुंह क्यों काला है?
इसकी नजर बुरी है।
बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह
मेरे
काला।
यार में ऐसे मत बोलो। अरे एला को तो ये पसंद है। दमन
हाँ,
देख एला खुद जा रही है।
मैं कहा था ना तेरे को।
हाय इस
So we have finally reached back home, back to Kani's house, and we'll have a separate video for her house, like a tour of her flat and her apartment. So we have finally reached her house here, her apartment, and we have set our Milo's new home. Let me show you guys.
So ये उसका भी नया घर हमने छोटा सा सेटअप करा है। We borrowed this from Daman, and do shout out to Daman for helping us, because what Kaniz has done is she has actually ordered a huge home for both of them, and so that they can live together, but that's gonna come on Monday. But till then we had to give a home to this new guy as well, new member to our family. This is his hay. We have given him some vegetables and his pellets, and let's look at the cute guy. So this is Ozzy. ये बहुत चालाक बंदा है भाई। ये पता है क्या करता है, यहाँ से भागता भागता उधर से जंप मार जाएगा कई बारी। जब इसको हम बाहर निकालते हैं ना कई बारी, तो जब ये केज नहीं होता ये वाला, तो ये क्या करता है, यहाँ से भागना स्टार्ट करता है और वहाँ से जंप मार के बाहर। बहुत चालाक है ये।
Guys, that was it for the vlog, but just wanted to let you know that we are super close to hit 200 subscribers. I'm so happy right now that we started from zero, like literally zero, and we are here for 200 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And there's actually a way to introduce both of them because they don't know each other, right? And so what we are going to do is we did check out some YouTube videos for them. So वो क्या करते हैं, इनको एक हफ्ते तक, 1 week तक आसपास रखेंगे, but they don't let them get in contact with each other. They can smell each other. What that will do is वो क्या करेगा, उससे एक दूसरे को, इन दोनों को पता चलेगा कि हाँ कोई और दूसरा भी है. So they will sense the adaptation and everything. So एक week के बाद you let them play with each other. So when that time comes, I'm gonna be coming over to her house and bringing a cool video to you guys. Till then, be safe. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.